Imagine waking up in the morning, sipping your coffee, and knowing that you can earn $240 an hour, all thanks to ChatGPT. Sounds intriguing, right? Let's dive into how you can make this a reality. First, let's talk about the skills you need. You don't have to be a tech genius or a seasoned writer. What you really need is a good understanding of how to leverage ChatGPT effectively. This means knowing how to ask the right questions and guide the conversation. The more specific you are, the better the output. Think of it as having a conversation with a really smart friend who can help you brainstorm, write, or even code. Now, let's explore the different avenues where you can monetize your skills with ChatGPT. One of the most lucrative options is freelance writing. Businesses are constantly looking for content creators to produce articles, blog posts, and marketing copy. With ChatGPT, you can generate ideas, outlines, and even full drafts in a fraction of the time it would take you to do it manually. Imagine charging $300 for a blog post and spending just 1 hour using ChatGPT to create it. That's a solid profit margin. Another avenue is consulting. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can offer your services to clients who need help with strategy, research, or even customer support. ChatGPT can assist you in drafting reports, analyzing data, or generating responses to common queries. By streamlining your workflow, you can take on more clients and increase your hourly rate significantly. Let's not forget about the world of online courses and coaching. If you have knowledge to share, you can create a course and use ChatGPT to help structure your content, create quizzes, and even draft marketing materials. Once your course is up and running, you can earn passive income while helping others learn. This could easily translate to $240 an hour if you market it well and attract a solid audience. Now, you might be wondering about the ethical implications. It's crucial to be transparent with your clients about using AI tools. Make it clear that you're leveraging technology to enhance your work, not replace your expertise. This builds trust and ensures you're providing value. Networking is also key. Join online communities, forums, or social media groups where people are discussing AI and ChatGPT. Share your experiences, offer advice, and connect with potential clients. The more you engage, the more opportunities will come your way. Lastly, keep learning. The world of AI is evolving rapidly. Stay updated on the latest features and best practices for using ChatGPT. This will not only improve your skills, but also make you more marketable. Consider taking online courses or attending webinars to deepen your understanding. So, there you have it. By honing your skills, exploring different monetization strategies, and staying engaged with the community, you can turn ChatGPT into a powerful tool for generating income. With dedication and creativity, earning $240 an hour is not just a dream. It can be your reality.